We're here at American Classics. We're fixing to check this body panel right here that another body shop just got done restoring. They said it's ready for paint. They said they metal worked everything. I'm fixing to show you how they metal work things down here in Florida. That right there is about a 1/4 inch thick. That's how they metal work down here in Florida. They fill it with mud. Here at American Classics, we metal work everything, and you may have a skin putty on there, but you will not have this.